Ang kailangan nating tandaan dyan, ang pinaka-function po talaga niyan or one of the main functions po of notarization is para i-convert ang isang private document into a public document. So when you say public document po, magkakaroon lang yan siya ng presumption of genuineness, authentication, and as to the identity po ng tao na gumawa ng affidavit na yan. Yung tinatawag yan sila na affiant, basta nasa mga affidavits na or statements or sworn statements. So in other words po, in a sense, we can say that notarization is for convenience purposes. Para pag umabot talaga to sa korte, hindi na kailangan busisiin isa-isa kasi yun nga po, may presumption na genuine na siya na document na yung gumawa ng salaysay is the same person na nakapangalan dyan at yung sworn statement po na yun ng affiant is presumed na ginawa niya yun voluntary. Notarization does not automatically equal to totoo lahat ng sinasabi. It only presumes na genuine yung pag-execute ng document, voluntary yun, and it also presumes na tama yung identity ng affiant.